Oh, wait, and we still at work. Motherfucking Drake just dropped. Feel this shit right here. Yeah. She love dancing on the pole. How she know it go? Just wanna lick and kiss it slow. Love it when we doing the most.
Alright, hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are ready for today's video. It is my first 3-in-1 get ready with me where I include my makeup, hair, and outfit. I want to get into these videos because I find them so fun to watch. So I hope you guys enjoy. So we're going to start off with me hopping in the shower first. I know I look crazy. I get out the shower and I wash my face. Sometimes I wash it in the shower too, not gonna lie. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my face with my cleanser. Once I get done with that, I'm gonna pat my face off with my towel. And then I'm gonna move into brushing my teeth because we gotta have those pearly whites. I missed the whole toothbrush, by the way, but we still made it work. Really get into those gums, get into that tongue, all that good stuff, because we want fresh breath. All right, now I'm gonna finally put my hair back because it flying all over my head like that is a no-go. All right, now we're gonna move on to the makeup. Ow. Alright guys, so now we're going to get into the makeup. My face is nice and moisturized and hydrated, obviously, as you can tell with all this glisten that is going on my skin. Ignore the orange, it's my color corrector. I should have showed you guys how my forehead is looking. It is very beaten up. That's what I would say. It just has scratches and stuff. I'm like, I think I'm scratching myself in my sleep. But anyways, we're just going to get into the makeup. Nothing extra. So just sit and enjoy the process of me putting on my makeup. First, I'm going to use my Born This Way foundation. It is in the color Butter Pecan. I'm going to squirt all of that on and blend it in with my beauty sponge. This is so therapeutic to watch to me, honestly. I love to watch people blend in their foundation, especially if they have like a smooth base or surface or whatever. Using my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in 410 on Monday, just under my eyes and under my nose. Blend that in really well. Then we're going to set my face with Ben Nye Luxury Powder in Banana. Then I'm going to use two blushes. This is Burnt Pepper and I forget the other one. I'll put it in the description box. That's what I use to contour. I know, weird combo, but yes, I use two blushes to contour my face. Then to clean up the contour, I use my Dermablend powder. That'll be in the description box as well, you guys. Now we're looking clean cut with all the powders. Gonna let that sit a while, then I'm gonna wipe it off with my powder brush under my eyes only. We're gonna leave that cleanup under the contour for a little bit. I'm extra. And now I'm gonna use my Luxie Lash Flossy Lashes. These are bomb. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of this orange blush right underneath my eye because I just needed a little extra because I was looking a little just plain and I needed a little something extra. So that's my trick. Then I'm going to use the Benefit Bang mascara before I put on my falsies today. And 1, 2, 3, you will see the lashes. Yes, I love these lashes. They look so freaking good. Yes. All right, now we're going to use the Makeup Forever Profusion only on my nose. I don't like to go down my nose because it's just too much glow for me. I just like it at the tip and then on my cheeks as well, because we gotta have a nice little glow. Then I'm gonna clean off this contour powder, well, this cleanup contour powder. All right, and now everything is looking nice and blended, especially once we add this rose water, my favorite spray ever. Now onto hair. So I'm going to just blow dry my hair out because it kind of got wet in the shower. I want to have it nice and straight for what's about to go on with my hair. So I'm only going to part the front part because that's the part that'll be out, because this is a half wig. So I just want to make sure that the front part that's out will match the wig's styling. So I'm going to straighten it first, and then I will add my curls. And then we're gonna put the bottom part in, well, the back part in a ponytail. And then we're gonna use my spray just to protect my hair from all the heat that I'm about to use. And I'm just gonna go over each piece and just straighten it as much as possible. You guys, I never straighten my hair, so this isn't too damaging, because it's probably like the last time I ever do this, because I usually just wear my hair curly. It's never straightened. And then I'm going to use my curling wand to just add some curls to it, because as you see, my hair is going to be nice and curly, where the wig is anyways. So I do have a tutorial or wig review up on this wig. I'll link it in the description box as well for you guys to check it out. You can also check it out on this card that's going to pop up on the screen in the right top corner. But yes, I have reviewed this before. This is my first time wearing this unit since that review, and I really like this unit, and I really want to get me a backup in it, because that's just how much I like it. Like, I would like to have this around for a while before they stop selling it. And then last but not least, I'm just gonna hop back into the makeup. I am just doing my lips. I just combine a bunch of colors, you guys. This is what I always do. You guys always ask, what lip color am I wearing? Usually I've just combined a bunch of lipsticks and glosses to get a color I like. So now we're gonna show the outfit. And that, honestly, you guys, ends this video. It was a quick 3-in-1 get ready with me. I do hope you enjoyed it. It was really quick. I'm gonna show you how I lay down these edges right quick. Nothing major, but yeah, I like showing you guys my makeup and hair and outfit that I choose for the day. I never really go anywhere, but for some reason I wanted to do that. Today's video was me getting ready to go to Sunday brunch. I love Sunday brunch. If you guys don't do brunch, you should do it. It's a great thing to have during midday Sunday. So thanks for watching, guys. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Oh, yeah, we still at work. Motherfucking Drake just dropped. Feeling this shit right here. Yeah. She look dancing on the pole. How she know it's go. Just Wanna lick your kisses slow. Love it when we doing the most.